Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you ever wanted to contact Instagram customer service for maybe an issue that you are facing on Instagram right now, then you came to the right place. Today in this video, I'll show you exactly how to contact them very easily and very clearly. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, since we're going to be using the Instagram app for this process, let's get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Instagram right here. Make sure we have the app updated to the latest version, because in the latest update, some things has changed. So to make sure both of us on the same page, update your app. Now from here, open Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account, and we start by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile. From your profile, we go to settings. You can do that by tapping here in the top right corner on those three lines. Then tap on settings and privacy at the top of these options right here. In settings, you need to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on help right here, guys. So tap right there. You'll be taken to this page. At the very top, tap on report a problem, and then here tap on report problem without shaking. Wait for a couple of seconds. Here you can choose to include or not to, and then in this screen, guys, is where you can go ahead and describe your issue to the Instagram customer service or Instagram basically support team. You can just copy or use my template right here. So basically need to type in or write your concern and tap on send in the top right corner. Instagram support team will take some time to process that, and they end up contacting you back in 24 to 48 hours. And you can go ahead and take it from there regarding whatever issue you are having on Instagram currently. And that is basically, guys, how can you contact Instagram support team or Instagram customer service. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video.